Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Webull to TradingView. You can link your Webull brokerage account directly to TradingView, enabling you to trade stocks, ETF, and options right from the charts. Additionally, Webull Pay integrates for cryptocurrency trading. This partnership offers a streamlined experience, letting you leverage TradingView's powerful tools while benefiting from Webull's competitive features, including commission-free trades on many assets. Let's get started with the simple steps. Before we dive into the connection process, there are a couple of essential prerequisites. First, make sure you have both an active Webull brokerage account and a TradingView account. It's a good practice to log into both platforms independently before you begin. Remember, the integration is initiated from TradingView's side. Also, it's great to know that Webull accounts typically do not require a minimum deposit to get started. Connecting your accounts is straightforward. Once you're logged into TradingView, find the trading panel at the bottom of your screen. From there, you'll see a list of supported brokers. Simply find Webull and click the Connect button. You'll then be prompted to enter your Webull account login details to securely authorize the integration. After successful authentication, confirm the connection, and you'll be ready to trade directly. With your Webull account now linked, you can enjoy a powerful trading experience. You're able to execute trades directly from TradingView's highly customizable charts, accessing a vast market of over 10,000 instruments, including stocks and ETFs. Leverage TradingView's extensive suite of advanced charting tools and indicators for your analysis. Plus, you'll benefit from Webull's competitive advantages, such as low margin rates and $0 commissions on many trades.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.